Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch account in Bingo Blitz. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account first. If you don't have any account, you can easily sign up for a new one. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to switch account, you need to log out from this account first. So here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now scroll down until you find the logout option. Here you can see the logout option, tap on it. Choose the logout option over here. Again tap on this logout button. Now that you are logged out of your previous account, you can switch your account to a new one. So tap on this played before option and you need to log into the account that you want to switch to. So you have to enter the credentials of the account that you want to switch to. If you have created your account using Facebook, you can choose this Facebook option. If you created your account with email, you can choose this email option. So select your preferred method. I wanted to switch to account I created with my Facebook account, so I'll choose my Facebook option. Tap on continue. You need to wait for a moment. And there you go, you've successfully switched your account to a different one. So that's it. That's how you can switch account easily in Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.